Looks like we're not in our space anymore.
Yeah, so that thing is gone. Now you see, we all have to work together, and we all have the same idea to destroy it. You see, everything between the asteroid is very simple. It was the circus theater. No time for that. No, I'm serious. Hey guys, let's use these buttons to destroy that free line thing. No, that won't work either. Alright, we need to get back and fight. Don't forget me.
No, that monstrosity asteroid.
No! Come back! No! Hello? Yeah, he's alive!
Yay!
Yay! I know I could have been alive. Thank you folks out there. And over these past few years, we've been making commentaries about saving the world. And about saving the world is we do agreement. Alright, everybody, hands in.
Entry 1,